welcome or welcome back to the channel. It's the girl AnekeAnnakay. How y'all doing or whatever? If you're an oldie but goodie, thank you so much for coming through, stopping by and say hello again and again and again. Oh my god, appreciate you. If you're new here to the channel, thank you so much for clicking on my small part of the YouTube universe. And little baby, I hope if you do enjoy the content here that you consider hitting that subscribe button, hitting that like button, dropping a comment down below, all of the above. Okay, what multiple choice? A, B, and C. Okay, so as you guys can see, we're doing our January closeout for this video. But as you guys know, before we do any videos, we have to do our shout outs. So in this video, we are shouting out my girl, Money with Gab. Okay, y'all, she's almost at 1K subscribers. So if you have not, go ahead, helps us out, get her there. Okay, Money with Gab, go and check this out. Another person I am shouting out is Small Fry Budgets. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I subscribe to sis off of her name alone. Yeah, her Small Fry, come on, tell me that ain't clever. Small Fry Budgets, just go ahead subscribe. Just go do me, go ahead subscribe. And last but not least is one of my faves, her Courage to Plan. Loves her, guys, love her videos and everything. And I be supporting sis Etsy shop, so if you need some stickers, like go ahead and see her. Okay, so those are my shout outs for the video. So now let's get into this video, little baby. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, y'all, so I will say I've recorded this video 2 times already. This is my 3rd time recording this video. Baby, let me tell you, okay, I was doing everything but praising the Lord, and it wasn't in the right way. Okay, I was cussing because I could not figure out this budget to close it out. Listen, okay, this is why we do reconciliation. This is why we do budget closeouts. This is why we check our coins, because let me tell you, I was pissed. And then also, guys, like, I could not figure stuff out. Things was making me mad. Like, baby, if y'all saw the first or the second, I mean, I thought when I recorded it the second time something was gonna change. No, that's a lie. But child, who girl? And all of this is whited out because just seeing it was making me annoyed. So let's just go over my budget, and then I'm gonna have the last part of the clip is gonna be from one of my previous budgets, so you guys can see, because your girl's already paid her credit card. We in a new month. Get it together. We wasn't about to hold out, so it is what it is. Oh child, just thinking about it is making me mad, but let's go. So my paycheck total came up to, so I had my military pay, which came up to a total of $5,620.51, and then I had budgeted, which came up to $1,282.58. That is including my $600 stimulus check, and that is also including the $200 that my friend gave me. Or was it 120? No, the 120 my friend gave me for the stuff that she kept from me. So my total for the month is $6,903.09. Honestly, guys, this is why I stopped doing cents, because see this little ooh, that's annoying. That's annoying. So first things first. Yeah, we're just gonna keep it until the end because I have, oh child, it's not there. So anyways, my fixed expenses were all the same except for my emergency fund. For budgeted, you guys saw that we, moved some money around, and so emergency fund ended up getting $3.50. And I forgot to do this USAA $5. So I put that in there, so that was at $5. Those are the only things that changed between my January budget, what I estimated, and now. Mainly it's my variable expenses. So guys, I was doing too much in my budgeted, so I divvied out or move around, and it is what it is. So tithes came up to $680. I did not do the 120 for my friend. I was like, it is what it is. But $680 is what I get the tithes. Crown was $15, ended up getting $45. Nails was $0, ended up getting $30. Chiropractor was $20. They got a $20. We ain't giving nothing else. Oh dang, we was mean. Then massage was $0. They got $40. Okay, appreciate you. Waxing was $60. Got $80. Ooh, cute. Fine wine was $0, but she got $70. Come on, sis, preach. Allowance was $200. She got $320. That is that $120 my friend gave me on top of that. And I was like, nah, we ain't cash stuffing nothing. It is what it is. Okay, let's move on. Toiletries, $0. They got them a cute $10. That's cute. Household was $30. They got $80. All right, household, get into it. Point blank, period. Clothing was $30. They got $30. Okay, they regular. Health was $0. They got $10. How you get money and you was estimated at $0? See, health be coming through and getting stuff. Support a friend, which is, you know, our Etsy shop supporting situation. She was estimated at $32. Ended up getting $42 because we supports, okay? Budgeting buy was $0. They got $10. YouTube was $0, stayed at $0. Electronics was $0, got them a little $20. Going out was $0, got $60. For what? I'm staying inside. Why do I keep giving this money? Yeah, I don't think we're doing that next paycheck or next week. We don't know yet. We'll see. Going away, $10. Ended up getting $20 because they played your girl. Okay, did you see cash check-in last week? Ooh, child, played me. Okay, they came for my coins and didn't tell me nothing about it. How you gonna tell me about a meeting last minute? You need to schedule. Miscellaneous, budgeted $16. Ended up getting $48. Damn, 48. Okay. Budgeted was $0, $788. Why? Just why? But if nothing else, shit happens. So I have lowered that for February though. So sinking funds was estimated at $1,600, got a whopping $2,082. Now I could write all of these in here, but nah, it's y'all don't understand. Okay, y'all don't understand. I'm out of 2 times I record this video. Ooh, child. Y'all hear me going into my singing? You know. Whenever you start singing, baby, okay? So my estimated when I budgeted was $2,513. What I actually gave it was $4,485. Now guys, let's get into totals. So my income expected was $5,000, got $6,903.09. My fixed expenses was $2,487, actually used $2,412 because groceries was no longer $400, it was actually $280. And I think groceries is moving over to variable expense. Little baby, it moves all the time. You know. Then variable expenses was estimated for $2,513. $4,485 was my actual. Now guys, normally on regular people stuff, this would equal to $6.09. Would equal to 0, I mean, no. But mine equals to $6.09. Why? Because, you know, shit happens. So I figured it out. This is like the clean version of, like, you know, the raw version. But no guys, this is the like updated version. Y'all are getting it the nice way, okay? Before I was giving it to you raw, child. Woo! But no, so this $6.09, 2 things happen. So if you've watched my channel, you know I hate cents. So my paycheck, if I get cents on top of it, it automatically moves to savings. I don't consider that a part of my paycheck. I just use the whole dollar. I'll use the whole dollar figure. So $1.09 of that was like the cents on both my paychecks, and so that automatically went to savings. Then, okay, because you know, boo boo the fool, it's boo boo me. I had $5 in my account, which for some reason I just did not transfer it or nothing. So when I calculated my stuff, I gave me an extra $5. Why? Listen, okay? I've gone back and forth a lot by myself in my house recording this video. Don't worry about it, okay? Because if I was supposed to stress about it, I would be stressing about it. And you know what? I'm not gonna stress about it. Don't let this budget take you out, okay? Because budgeting is trash, but we love to see the progress. Okay, it is fabulous when it works, when it's clean, it's beautiful, it's easy like Sunday morning. Great. But little baby, once you, ooh, child, once you mess up, girl, ooh, sir, ooh, whew, never mind. I just had a flashback. But anyways, guys, that is my January budget. Now I'm going to show you guys the second part of this video, which was a part of my other 2 videos, and then we're going to close this out. So, yeah. Y'all, I was about to lose my whole shit, y'all. I was about to lose my whole shit. Y'all, I could not find $100. I was calculating to show y'all how much. Y'all saw the footage. I don't even know if I left it in, but I could not find $100. I was like, bruh, what the hell? I could not find $100, guys. So I finally looked back in my envelope and saw that I left it in there. Cause baby, I was like, hold up, where did I put $100? Like, just $100 missing like that. Like, no ma'am, no ma'am. Who child? Okay, so now we can calculate everything. So the total amount came up to $11.57, but we're gonna minus $1 because there's that 80 cents extra that popped up out of nowhere, and it's expecting us to put 20 cents on top of it to make it $11.57, because that's normally what I do, but I'm only putting 80 cents. Why do I keep doing $80? So now I'm supposed to have $11.55. Well, nah, $11.57 minus 0.8. Now I'm supposed to have $11.56.20. So guys, let's calculate and close this up, because child, when I tell you almost about to lose my shit, tear this whole, I'll burn this whole shit down. I'm just playing. But like, girl, where my coins at? Don't play with me like that. Don't play with me like that. That ain't no joke. So let's calculate. So 1, 2, 3, that's 300. Oh, let me not put them together because that was a problem too. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20, 40, 60, 81. So that's 6. Oh, y'all can at least be straight. That's 6, 20, 40, 60, 82. Well, that's 1. That's 7, 20, 40, 60, 80. That's 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me make sure y'all in frame. Yes, y'all are. Okay, and then why is these backwards? Child, let me see. Ooh, girl, no. Girl. Y'all don't understand the backstage struggling that was happening just a while ago. Child, ooh. Okay, so we're at 1, 2, show up now. See, this is why we can't have nice things. So now we're at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90. This makes 9, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. This makes 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. That makes 11, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is 1100. So this just needs to equal to $56, and we got our 80 cents for that little pop-up 80 cents that happened on or when we did our reconciliation. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. Boom. And then here is the 80 cents. And like I said, if I had added this 80 cents to whatever total I would have had, it would have been $11.57. But because I didn't, and I'm only putting in the 80 cents, not any of the cent, not the 20 cents going towards savings, it's only $11.56, $20. So guys, I hope that makes sense. I hope that wasn't too much, because baby, okay, behind the scenes I was losing my shit because I couldn't find $100. I was calculating stuff and they wasn't working out. I was like, child, this ain't it. This ain't the move. But this is also budgeting, guys, because whoo, child, things are gonna get easier. Lies if I ever heard them. But no, guys, I will be using this money. As you guys can see, I'll be paying off my credit card because they ain't getting no taxes out of me. I don't do that. So yeah, let me put this money back where it needs to be. Go back where it needs to be so we know we use CC payment or whatever. That is good old CC payments. Go in there. Get in there. Bitch, stab. And then we're gonna put this 80 cents because, ooh, child. Yeah, I don't like cents, but gotta make it do what it do. But that is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for like listening to my shenanigans and, you know, the whole lot of, because this video might have been all over the place, but little baby, this is what we call real life budgeting, okay? Get into it. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe. Also, guys, follow me on IG. And that's it. Again, my name is AnekeAnnakay. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you. And I will talk to you in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.